Hello everyone, this is me Toufic and you are watching Learn with Toufic Ahmed YouTube channel and welcome to my another new video of regular videos. So I uploaded a video 9 days ago that meeting with client get $50, how to add social accounts, how to make multiple collection, upload playlist. So today I will show you how to create a ticker or marquee in Gempages. And if you know that Gempages have some updates and Gempages have some latest updates, they got some updates, and I hope you like this video. I hope you will like this video because Gempages, this major updates of Gempages are so much valuable and so much interesting updates they have added to the Gempages app. And if you don't know about this updates, today I will show you that the marquee update, the marquee section or marquee option Gempages have added to their options of in this app. So today we will design with a marquee section with the Gempages app. So let's start the video and don't miss don't skip the video, so you will learn the full tutorial and full process of how to create a marquee section in Gempages. So let's start the video. So at first, this is the Gempages, and if you don't know how to install Gempages, just go to online store or search for Shopify app store. Shopify app store. Go to Shopify app store and search for it's loading, and search for Gempages page builder. It's a page builder to create custom landing pages. So as a Shopify expert, I have to use it. And if you have a partner store or so just click which in which store you want to install it. So I have 3 store. This is my client store. Okay. So at first you have to create a partner account, then install. If you go to Shopify app store or search in online store here apps and search for Gempages. So I have already installed it, so it is showing me that Gempages page builder. So at first I am creating a new page, okay, for you all. So there are many templates you can see, but don't use any of them. These are not too much good. Okay. So if you have your store and you want to you want a commission, a low budget Gempages app, or if you need a Gempages in a low budget or low price, so check the comment section. I will drop a link there, so you can install it with clicking on the link. So you can get a offer, or you can get a subscription of Gempages in a low budget. Okay, so don't forget to click on the link to get Gempages app. So at first we will take a section. There are pre template here, pre-built template. So I am clicking on element. There is row, so I am clicking a row. Let's make this full width. Okay, full width marquee section we will create. So at first I am making a there is already a padding here, so let's change this to 40. Okay, wait, 40. Okay, there is another row. This is the container. We will make it a full width. Okay, don't or you can make it full width or 12,000 pixel. So I am just showing you with 1170 pixel width. Let's save this. Now what we have to do, what's the issue? Okay, 1170. Okay, now if you go to elements, then scroll down, and you can see that there is a marquee section, new updated. 2 types of marquee. Okay, there is one there will only text, and one there will be an image. So at first let's see with the image. Okay, so there is 5 items. So at first let's delete this. Nice update from Gempages. Okay, let's duplicate now. At first, let's change the images. Like if I browse my gallery, let's see if there any logo is there or not. Okay, let's there is no logo, so we can go with this image also. Don't this is also we can use. Okay, you can upload it from here also. Just go to upload image, and if there is any logo, just like logo, I have not a logo, so I can't show you. Okay, there is a logo here. I have a logo, so I have uploaded a logo. So then what you have to do, just when you will increase the items, so it will become smaller. Okay, like what's the width? Auto. Okay, you can also increase or decrease the height or width from here. Okay, so we can go with the auto. AUP. Okay, so now it's auto. Let's change this also. Go to browse gallery, so you can understand that what I have done. So after that, let's duplicate this much more. Okay, we can change the number of serial. We can change the serial number of this. Okay, we can also change the serial number. Duplicate this. We can rearrange that. Okay, now what we can do, let's we can decrease the spacing between them, and you can also, there is three options: fit to content, based on the item content, item item account, or custom. What that every image you can add a next item width. At least you have to add a 40 pixel width, so I am making it 120 pixel. So okay, or 150. Okay, let's see with 180. Okay, it's good. 180. Icon separator, there is a icon separator flag, and nice, you can change that. Okay. Okay, we can go with that. We can decrease or increase the size. Okay, let's make it off. And now what you want to do, left, right, or right to left. So I am going with right. So stop on hover. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, speed you can increase or decrease. Okay, now let's save this, and let's add a background, so you can understand perfectly. Okay, nice highlighted background, pink, light pink. Let's check a preview. And also you can I have uploaded a playlist of Replo masterclass. You can watch this, and also you can see the meeting client with international client I have attended, and got many types of I have provided many types of Shopify services with international clients like Singapore. It is the video of Singapore client, and you can also watch the Replo tutorial. Okay, full masterclass of 2024 updated masterclass you can watch from here. 8 videos. I will upload more, but I am a little bit busy, so I can't upload. So I will try to upload. So I will type to upload. Let's see what's the preview. Okay, let's see that it is a 1170 pixel width. So and when I'm pausing, hovering, it's paused, automatically paused, because I have added the option. And if you want to make it full width, just go to the main row. Select the parent and make it full width. And please, if you like this video, watching this video, and if you love this video, please hit the like button. And if you are new in the on the channel, so I am requesting you to hit the subscribe button and on the bell notification, so you will get notified for the new videos. So it's working perfectly, as you can see, and it is an important section for a landing page or a theme or a store to attract the to grab the attention of the customers. So it is for today. Thank you for watching this. So don't forget to subscribe the channel or like the video, and if you have any queries, you can comment on the comment section below. Thank you.